Hey you, big rad welcome to our Dream Neon Generator. I'm Vic from the design team here at Radikal Neon, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how this bad boy works. Just before we get started, I recommend viewing your quote on a laptop or desktop computer, as it doesn't work quite as well on mobile devices. First step, you'll open the link your contact at Radikal has provided you via email to view your quote. It will open this page you'll see on your screen right now, except your very own custom neon sign will be in the middle here. Let's start with the colors. To get that perfect color scheme to really make your sign pop or just be seen. On the right side of your screen, you will see our color range. Feel free to take a look through and see what works with your design. You can color the full sign or select individual parts of your sign and have them be a separate color. Just click on a part of your sign, you'll see it highlighted in gray as I'm now doing. Then go to the color panel on the right and select the color. You can then click it again or click on a different part when you're done to see your hard work. We've got a color changing LED neon too. It's up for grabs, but it will increase the cost of your sign, whereas all the other colors won't change the price. Once you're happy with your colors, it's time to look at size. To move to the size select page, hit the purple button in the bottom right corner. Here you may see 1, 2, or 3 sizes. Pick what suits your budget best. And once that's settled, it's the final step, acrylic time. We've got a few options for how the acrylic can look. On the right, we have our acrylic shape options, cutting it to the shape of the sign or to a square rectangle shape. Then different acrylic colors, white, black, and transparent. They're all the same price, so choose what you like best. Finally, to complete your order, hit the green extras button in the bottom right corner. Finally, you can select your finishing touches. We have the options to expedite, add a dimmery mode, apply waterproofing, and our free wall screws and hanging wires depending on your display situation. If there's any design notes we should know about, feel free to leave a note here. We include an installation kit, either the screws or the hanging wires in the box, and of course the power supply and wall plug to get it all lit up. The last part is all you. Hitting the payment button will show a puff of confetti, and then the rest is all up to you. Some locations will have Afterpay or PayPal as a payment option, alongside all regular card payments. If you have any other questions, just let us know. We can't wait to get this one lit up for you.